Hello everyone, welcome to our Using AI 101 series. In this video we will show example of simple AI agent which creates documents. In our fast-moving environments, documents are core of almost all processes, reports, compliance records, and while we are spending a lot of time on copy-pasting and formatting and creating those reports, AI tools really can dramatically reduce these hours and help us to create reports much faster. Without further ado, I will show you example. This example of field agent work with the 11 lab voice system. I chose this system just because it's much easier to create a button on a web page. As you see, I have a almost empty HTML file which is located on my local drive, and when I click this button and make a call to the voice agent, we will see how it will work.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I would like to create report for file 77.
Okay, I can help with that. Could you please provide the file number again to confirm?
It's a 77.
Okay, I have file 77. Let's start with the first field. Can you please provide the notes from the inspection?
A car has a significant damage at the front.
Okay, I have saved that. Now, can you please provide the report conclusion?
A truck needs significant repairs.
Okay, I have created the report for file 77. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, I think I'm good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Field agent at the end of the talk make request to create the report, and at the end of the process I will get email with the document. It might take few seconds to get it in my inbox. Here you go. So we got the email, and as a part of the email we have attached document which just simple, just for demonstration purposes document, which includes this file number, current date, some preset company name, which some data from the CRM or Excel file, some extracts from the AI system, and conclusion. Truck needs significant repairs. So right now I will explain how this system works. The system starts with an insurance template, what I created. And I named it insurance, but in reality it can be any type of the document. So template has certain fields which will be replaced by the real fields. This is a current date, which we saw in report. These few more fields, and the report template in this example supports few options. So one of the option is system auto-populated field. So example of this field, it's the current date, which will be going to the spot where this field is located. Another type of the fields are direct field replacements. There are a few examples in this report of direct replacements. One of them is a file number. Another field is the incident description, which is coming from Excel file. Observe notes coming from the conversation with the field agent. And here down below there is a block replacement. When certain blocks are present in report depending on other field. In this example, report type. So if report type is claim, So this part of the report will be in the file. If it's a different type, like say market type of the report, it will be a different part of the report presented. And all these combined through the special fields. So how a report works and how data can be received. So first option is read data from Excel or CRM. As part of this setup, we have a report template, what I just showed you, and also we have a couple Excel files. One of the Excel files is a document map, where all fields are listed, and second column is ask user prompt. If there is something in this column, this is what AI agent will ask us for input, notes from inspection and report conclusion. If there is some value in the column AI, in this example I put simple prompt, what was a recent car accident involving make, what will be read from Excel file, and if any of them be related with factory issues. It can be any prompt, it's just an example. Another Excel file, what the system is using, what I named document CRM data. So this is the internal ID of this file. Report type is claim, and this is a description and make GMC. And AI agent taking the GMC as a make, put in inside the AI prompt, call Gemini and ask for this input, and what AI agent is getting from the Gemini goes to report file, what we see here. So this all this long text we got as an input from Gemini when it's analyzing what kind of accidents happened with this type of the truck. Prompt to AI system can be absolutely different and not related with the truck or insurance. It can be anything. So this is just demonstration of the ability of the AI. When AI can copy data from CRM on Excel file, do request to external AI system, and populate all this data into combined report. All this data reside in the in a Google Drive, and as an option, this created report file is emailed on a user email. If you interested to see if this setup will work for you, I provide a link down below, and you can schedule free consultation, and I can set up similar system for you with the first 10 reports free of charge, just for you, that you would see how it works for you, how it can really improve your productivity and save you time instead of copy pasting data from the different resources and different systems. I hope this video helped you to get a glimpse a little bit on how AI can help. And if you're interested, feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching. See you next time.